Welcome to the fascinating universe of blockchain technology, a realm where innovation meets practicality and transforms the way we understand the world around us. If blockchain is a new concept to you, or if you've heard of it but haven't yet unlocked its mysteries, then brace yourself for a thrilling journey through a technological revolution, digging deep into the core of blockchain, the potential applications, and its symbiotic relationship with cryptocurrency. Markets may change, but human nature does not. The ancient Greek philosophers identified the values and mindsets that lead to purpose and success in life. At Relic Ventures, we bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern investing. Have you ever wondered what's fueling the meteoric rise of cryptocurrencies? How Bitcoin and other digital currencies are reshaping the global financial landscape? The answer lies beneath the surface, in the intricate labyrinths of blockchain technology. Blockchain is not just a buzzword. It's a groundbreaking solution to some of the most complex challenges of our time. Picture a world where wealth distribution is not controlled by a privileged few, but instead becomes a harmonious symphony of equality and accessibility. Through decentralized finance applications like lending, borrowing, and yield farming, we're witnessing a financial renaissance that's democratizing prosperity. But don't think that blockchain is confined to the realm of finance. Its decentralized nature promises to revolutionize how we interact, how we collect and use data. Imagine conducting transactions without the need for anyone's permission, with enhanced security and almost immune to manipulation. It's like rebuilding the very fabric of the internet on a foundation of trust and transparency. After covering the crypto infrastructure, we'll turn to the teachings of the ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus to build you a wealthy mindset. So, what exactly is blockchain? Picture a ledger, the ancient tool that's been at the core of commerce for centuries. Now imagine that ledger not stored in a dusty book on a shelf, but digitized, decentralized, and accessible to anyone who's part of its network. That's the essence of blockchain. A blockchain is a growing list of records, known as blocks, that are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. Think of it as a chain of digital blocks that contain records of transactions. But here's where it gets truly revolutionary. Unlike traditional ledgers controlled by central entities like banks or governments, a blockchain is distributed. It's not stored in a single location, but exists on multiple computers all over the world. Anyone participating in the network can view the transactions, making the entire system transparent. Now you might be wondering, doesn't this make it vulnerable? The answer is fascinating. Each time a new transaction occurs, it must be verified by a network of computers, often referred to as nodes. These nodes use complex algorithms to validate the transaction. Once validated, the transaction is added to a block. When a block is full, it's sealed, and a new block is formed containing a unique identifier of the previous block, forming a chain. This chaining of blocks is what makes the system incredibly secure. To tamper with a single transaction, a hacker would have to alter not only the block containing that transaction, but every subsequent block in the chain across every copy of the ledger on the network. This requires an immense amount of computational power, making it nearly impossible. Consider the wide array of industries that stand to be transformed by blockchain. Take finance, for instance. With blockchain, lenders can evaluate prospective borrowers with unprecedented accuracy. Automated smart contracts can remove layers of bureaucracy, improving efficiency in everything from settlement processes to supply chain management. But it doesn't stop at finance. Picture the healthcare industry where patient records, once vulnerable and fragmented, are now united in a fortress of privacy. Blockchain's decentralized network distributes data across nodes, giving control back to the patient and ensuring only authorized eyes can access their medical history. Are you starting to see the magnificent tapestry of possibilities that blockchain is weaving? Think of it as a fortress that safeguards information and transactions. It's not just about providing a secure place to store and manage data. It's about streamlining processes, eliminating unnecessary intermediaries, and infusing business operations with unparalleled transparency. The brilliance of blockchain lies in its versatility. As we move into an increasingly digital world, blockchain is poised to become the technological spine of numerous industries. Imagine synchronized patient health data, transparent government operations, fraud-free voting systems, and instantaneous cross-border payments. The future looks bright, and blockchain is the guiding star. You might be asking, is this all too good to be true? The truth is, the potential is real, and we're just scratching the surface. From early proof-of-concept use cases to real-world implementations, the momentum is building, and it's building fast. In this digital age where data has become the new oil, blockchain technology offers a beacon of integrity. It's a world where security is no longer a luxury, but a right, where transactions are swift and reliable, where the user is in control, not an entity. So if you've ever felt that technology was slipping away from human values, take heart. Blockchain is bridging the gap, sewing the fabric of a future that resonates with the ideals of trust, accessibility, and empowerment. Now that we've covered the core aspects of the blockchain, let's shift gears. The ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus famously said, "Change is the only constant in life." He saw change as the fundamental law of the universe. Heraclitus embraced change as the natural order of things. He cautioned against only seeing permanence and believing the future will resemble the past. This applies to crypto investing. Markets are constantly changing, and we can't rely on what worked yesterday. Instead, like Heraclitus, we must anticipate and adapt to change, not resist it. The blockchain space is still new and rapidly evolving. Projects that embrace innovation will thrive. Like Heraclitus, we must expect and welcome change in crypto, not cling to the past. The future belongs to those who can adapt. The teachings of Heraclitus remind us that change brings opportunity in times of uncertainty. His wisdom can guide our crypto strategies. Step into a world where ancient wisdom meets modern-day investments. I hope you feel a pull towards ancient Greek philosophy just as we do, and subscribe to succeed in life. See you in the next video.